On the road, day in, day out. Through city streets, country lanes and motorways. The open road. Places to go, people to meet, things to see. As a global provider of suspension systems, your journey is our journey, and our responsibility is to make it as safe, comfortable and smooth as possible. Our systems bring an additional dimension to your vehicle's suspension. At all times, you travel safe in the knowledge of maximum stability, while experiencing the superior comfort of riding on air. Road surfaces become smoother, quieter, the journey more enjoyable. You relax and regain the sensation of freedom and pleasure in travel, a future with unlimited possibilities. In the background, your VB suspension system is efficiently working to negotiate your route with stability and safety, even when the going gets tough. Our journey is the continual innovation of the most advanced suspension systems and the continued pleasure of life on the open road, now and in the future. VB Air Suspension, making every day smoother.